What's up, guys? It's April 1st, 2025. Had a sideways day with a little bit more bullish price action, so rally, pullback, another rally, end of the day. Here we have the daily chart, 15-minute chart. Second legs are the highest probable trade because there's three types of traders that are looking for it. So let's take this leg, for example. Bears are going to short here when the sell is a low probability event. They're betting on a failed breakout. And in this situation, the breakout worked. So that's the first set of traders trying to sell. The second set of traders are us. We see the strong breakout, and now we're looking for a reversal to get short for a measure move down. The third set of traders are the trap bulls. Bulls are going to buy their range lows here, and when they see the market going against them, they sell out of their longs. So bears are selling here, second leg traders are selling here, and trap bulls are going to sell out. That creates enough selling pressure for a second leg down. After the market has gone for an extended period of time in one direction, traders have to take profits, usually around the third leg. This is why third leg trading range, the probabilities for a trading range go up. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Bears taking profits, we're taking profits, bulls are buying lows. Then we get a rally into the swing high. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, same type of context. Bulls bet on a reversal here, buying the lows. They see the breakout, they want to add to their position. We see the breakout and we want to buy the shallow pullback right here, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. And then they start to take profits in leg 3, which ends up being the swing high, creating enough selling pressure for another leg lower. That's why trading range, the probabilities for trading range go up around leg 3, and second legs are the highest probable trade. That's what we focus on around here. Second legs, because they're high probable trades. Here's a 15-minute chart. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Bulls want a new high to continue the trend. Bears want a lower high to sell off. There's three types of trend line breaks. So in this scenario, we have a rally, pullback. Bulls want a new high to keep the trend going. That's one scenario. Scenario 2, leg 1, pullback. Leg 2 is an equal high, not the best, but it's not the worst. And then the worst situation for the bulls, best for the bears, is a lower high. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, and it sells off, and that's bearish market structure. Right now, this is a lower high, but we have to wait for the rest of the week to play out, and it could keep going, or it could sell off, or it could just go sideways. Those are pretty much the three options we always have. Gap down, bar 1, continuation, bar 2, bad follow through, bar 3, bad follow through. All these bars have more tail than body. Bar 4, bull bar closing on its high, testing the low of 79, ends up selling off. So I see a leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Bar 5, inside bar. If you're long, you should get out around the inside bar because that's a breakout mode pattern. Bar 6, bear bar closing on slow. Bar 7, bear bar closing on slow. We have bar 8. We have a bear bar closing on slow, but there's more tail. And then again, bar 9 and bar 10, bear bars closing on their low. There's 3 fractal legs down. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. That's a fractal leg down, and then we see 11 being an outside bar. It sells off and reverses, trapping bears. Bar 12, bad follow through, but then we see 13, 14, and 15. 3-bar breakout above the EMA with a gap, good enough to get a second leg up. Again, 16 is an inside bar you can get out in case this is a double top and it sells off. 17, good bull bar closing on tie, you could buy that for a scalp. 18, bull bar closing on tie. 19 is a bull bar but has more tail. 20, bull bar closing on tie. 21, bull bar closing on tie. I'm now counting 3 legs, so you could say the leg starts down here, but I counted it from the breakout. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. And within this structure, there's also 3 legs. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, inside bar 19, pullback, leg 3. So there's a lot of reasons for the markets to go sideways for a little bit. And we can see that with 24 all the way up to, well, 62. But so where are we? 21, bull bar closing on its high. 22, bad follow through. 23, sells off and then reverses. 24, bear bar closing on its low, but it doesn't break the low of 23, so it's not the best bear bar short. If you do short that, you have about 15 minutes to get out before you get trapped. And even so, if you were to short higher, you would make money, but I don't think that's the best trade today because there's a lot of bullish pressure, so averaging into shorts is dangerous. Here we have another 3 legs up. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. 27, bull bar closing on its high, but it has more tail than body. 28, bull bar closing on its high, more body than tail. 29, creates a double top. Not the best looking bar for the bears. Excuse me. 29, bear bar closing on slow. Not the best context for the bears because there's so much bullish pressure. You might want to get think this is a double top and you short for a reversal, but there's just so much momentum. You got to let it wane out. 30, bull bar closing on side. 32, bull bar closing on side. More tail. 32, bull bars are shrinking now. So we're getting higher. We're in the third leg and bull bars are shrinking. Think about bulls having to take profits, how we just talked about on the daily chart. 33, doji bar with a bear body. 34, bad close for the bulls, but it has more body than tail. 35, now we have a bear bar in a third leg, and we see a strong close with 36, vacuuming down to the EMA. 37, 38, and 39, all bear bars. I think this entire row can get a second leg. I actually traded the second leg on NASDAQ here. I got filled on 41. Rally. This ends up being a pullback. So if you bought this looking for a second leg up, this is actually just a pullback for the bears. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, even pullback leg 4 right here. Sideways price action on the EMA. The EMA is turning into resistance instead of support. And they sell off. At the time, before we see this becomes the second leg here because it goes one tick below. But this entire price structure is strong to get a second leg. If this is a trailing range behavior, this is a bullet. The momentum came out the other side in the same direction. 2 3-legged pullback for the bulls. So, I mean, leg 1. Okay, restart. This is a pullback for the bears, and it's 2 or 3 legs for the bulls. So, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback. 2-legged pullback into the EMA, somewhat of a wedge top if you count 49's tail. So, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Wedge top into the EMA that sells off for a few bars. 53, 54, 55, 56, all bear bars closing out slow, strong to get a second leg down. 57 is being that shallow reversal, and that second leg is 58, 59. Bear bars closing on that low, but now we're in the third leg. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, sideways price action. 65 sells off and reverses, kind of like this, but bar 11 is an outside bar. This is just selling off and reversing, but it's still trapping bears. 66. Bull bar closing on its high. 67, bull bar closing on its high. Now we have a 3-bar bull microchannel, and the EMA is more sideways, so you can't really say we're in a bull regime or in a bear regime, but we do have more bullish pressure from this rally up. And now we have a 3-bar microchannel here. 67 is the first reversal for these 3 bars. And you can see bulls were eager to buy that. 69, bull bar closing on its high, bad follow through 70. 71, bull bar closing on its high. 72, bear bar on the EMA. You might want to get short here. I actually got trapped. I was short around here, and then I had to get out right around here. And you can see we have an EOD rally, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Then we go sideways. So we're starting to go sideways today. We had a big down, big up, big down. Then we had a pretty nice rally yesterday, and now we went sideways today. It was a doji on the daily. Yeah, let's go over the measured moves. And I actually forgot the gaps chart. Today's a little bit of a quicker one. I got to pop out soon here. Bears breakout of, well, the 3-bar range is right there. Bulls try and break out 3-bar range. It fails, and then bears get a measured move down here. Another 3 bars here. Put it on the reversal, and you can see 1-to-1's met here, and that's right around where they took profits on 22. So that's that context I was talking about. Bulls buy lows. The first set of bulls buy lows, betting that it's going to rally, and they were right. Then we see a shallow pullback 16, so we buy it. And then trap bears have limit orders here. They're trapped on 17, so they have to buy back shorts, and you can see where the profit taking began was when 1R was hit. So that's what I was talking about down here. It's the same context over and over and over again. It's just how can we frame it, and then we think about the trend line breaks. What type of trend line break are we getting? So there's that, and then you could, I don't think this is a good measure move. I'm not going to add that. Here's a measure move here. I don't go for measure moves. I just scalp 1-to-1 of the breakout bar, but put it on top of the pullback. 41, 1R is met, and you can see we start to go sideways again. So that gives you context as to why I think second legs are the better setup, and that's the best thing to focus on. Here you can see 3 bars trap. The reason why I trade 3 bars, well, I don't necessarily trade, yes, I trade 3 bars, but I look at it more for context. is because if there's a gap, then that adds everything, right? There's the first set of bulls. In this case, the first set of bulls, they make their money. Gap shows limit order bears are trapped. They're gonna have to buy back shorts, and then we get that shallow reversal for us, and we can take it for a measured move. So there were some good trades today. There was a lot of range. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm scalping breakout points. It's working out. Took a little bit of a tumble a couple weeks ago, but I'm starting to recover, so it's okay. And yeah, today was a fast one, guys. So if you have any questions, please ask me. If you learned something, share the show. Don't be a hoe. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I hope you have a good day. It's still early out. I got a couple things to go do. Have a good one, everyone. Thank you for tuning in as always. Goodbye.